because the bus stop left either port around 8:30. Delay talaga. Our apologies. Well, welcome to PhilHealth Regional Office Kapihan with media partners in the province of Masbate. You are a valued partner and I'm pleased to meet every one of you. You will be conducting a series of six kapihan in six provinces, and this is the last. Okay, yeah. Supposedly this should be the second, but that time we visited, there's no venue available because of the Rodeo Festival. Yeah. Si Miss Boots, change siya ng schedule. The first one was conducted in Sorsogon in line with the launching the first Consulta Caravan in 2024, last April 3, 2024. For the entire month of February, the country observed the National Health Insurance Month. Last February, PhilHealth commemorated its 29th anniversary. 29th consecutive. Our anniversary theme is Damang Dama Ko Ang Benepisyo. It's a manifestation of PhilHealth's response to the call of President Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos Jr. for a better health insurance coverage for all Filipinos. PhilHealth has started implementing important enhancements and benefits in 2023, such as the institutionalization of the 156 dialysis session for patients with chronic kidney disease stage 5, from 90 days to 144 days, now is 156 days. Good for 1 year session na po yan. Increase in the coverage in what? Ischemic stroke from 28,000 pesos to 76,000. Hemorrhagic stroke from 38,000 pesos to 80,000. And high risk pneumonia from 32,000 pesos to 90,100. The adjusted coverage of C benefits for orthopedic implants. And the launch of the outpatient mental health packages, such as the general mental health package service of 9,000 pesos and the specialty mental health service of 16,000 pesos. In 2024, we continue to strengthen healthcare delivery system under the trust of pinalawak at mga bagong benepisyo para sa mamamayang Pilipino. On February 14, which coincides with the PhilHealth 29th founding anniversary, a 30% increase in the coverage rate of most of our benefits took effect. It was a momentous event because it was the very first time that there was an across-the-board increase since the all-case rate payment scheme was introduced 10 years ago. This move was timely since it will efficiently and effectively strengthen our case rate-based payment, which will have significant impact on our members' coverage in terms of financial protection. Kung tataas ang benepisyo, bababa ang gastusin sa pagpapagamot at mararamdaman ng miyembro ang benepisyo nila mula sa PhilHealth. This 30% adjustment excludes those that have already been adjusted in the last 5 years, such as hemodialysis, stroke, pneumonia, benefit package that are already requested and scheduled for further adjustment, and those that have been recently developed, such as the outpatient mental health package. You can view all these benefit packages in www.philhealth.gov.ph. This move is just a tip of the overall benefit enhancement plan. This year, we are targeting to release more policies and guidelines for several new benefits. In addition, we're also working on the enhancement of some of our existing benefit packages as proof that we are committed to providing all Filipinos with adequate and more responsive benefit packages that all deserve. Just this March 23, PhilHealth released an enhancement in C benefit packages, such as breast cancer, which originally cost at 100,000 pesos. With the new package, it already reached 1.4 million pesos. In the pipeline for 2024, we're targeting to release more policies and guidelines for several new benefits. on outpatient therapeutic care benefit package for severe acute malnutrition for children 5 years and below. Physical medical rehabilitation benefits, ST elevation, myocardial infarction system, and emergency care. Yung mga maidadagdag pa kung mga benefits this year. In addition, we are also working on the enhancement of some of our existing benefits such as the C benefits, kidney transplantation, including post-surgery medicines, open heart surgery, tetralogy of a lung and verticular septic defect, cervical and prostate cancer, peritoneal dialysis. Also, for adjustment are dengue, hemorrhagic fever with severe, chemotherapy for select cases, bronchial asthma in acute exacerbation, bacterial sepsis of newborn, cataract extraction, COVID-19 benefit packages, konsulta sulit at tama, including the mammogram and breast ultrasound. In-include na rin po yan. For 2023, PhilHealth paid a total amount of 122.3 billion pesos for 1.6 million claims nationwide. This amount, PhilHealth Bicol paid a total of 4.19 billion for 548.7 thousand claims. ProPipe remains the top in terms of turnaround time in processing good claims at 16 days, when the prescribed days to process and pay claims under the law is 60 days. The collection of ProPipe for 2023 was at 2.77 billion. With all the PhilHealth plans benefits enhancement, there is a need to generate more funds to sustain these positive reforms. As mandated in Section 10 of Universal Health Act 2019, PhilHealth will implement this last increase of 1% premium contribution, thereby adjusting the premium contribution to 5% with the income ceiling of 100,000. For 2024, the lowest contribution shall be 500 pesos, while the highest is at 5,000 pesos. In terms of consulta implementation, I'm happy to announce that ProPipe has accredited a total of 140 accredited consulta providers in the Bicol region. Of the 6 million Bicolanos, almost 1.34 million have already registered in the consulta program, and almost 33 million pesos have been paid to consulta facilities since the initial implementation in 2021. For the province of Catanduanes, Masbate, 18 consulta providers were already accredited, and 259,000 out of the 959,000 population have already been registered. The realization of the universal health care lies not only on when the policy are released and implemented, but also in how the Filipinos are able to access and avail themselves of these benefits that were intended for all. The province is home of 559,000 residents, and PhilHealth registration in the province is already 81%. I appeal to you, dear media partners, to help us disseminate the right information about the program and services of PhilHealth, so we can reach our member far and wide and ensure 100% registration. With your valued support, we can widely and timely disseminate the right information and inform our kababayan, fellow Bicolanos, on their improved benefits and services in exchange of their hard-earned contributions. We in PhilHealth Regional Office 5 offers our unwavering commitment to public service, at kami po ay patuloy na tutugon sa hamon ng panahon. Sa PhilHealth, ang bawat Pilipino ay miyembro. Ang bawat miyembro ay protektado at ang kalusugan ng lahat dapat sigurado.
Of the Field Operations Division, Dr. Ronald Santelices, and of course, the head of Leo Masbate, we have Ma'am Norlinda or Ma'am Boots Castillo. So, are we all ready for the open forum?
So anyway, in behalf of Villa Divisional Office 5, maraming salamat po sa pagpunta ninyo. We know you're very busy, lalo na sa mga panahon na ito, pero you took your time para magpunta. Isa po ito sa mga importanteng inutos po ng aming korporasyon ngayon, ang engagements with you, with the people. Ano? Marami po kasi kaming mga programa na pinapalabas, pero sad to say, yun nga siguro, Pilipino, naaalala ang health pag nangangailangan na. Pagka hindi nangangailangan, least sa mind nila ang health o kasakit. So usually kami naaalala si PhilHealth pagka kailangan na, pag may sakit. Pag wala, hindi siya maalala. So what better na mapaabot namin sa karamihan o sa kalahatan ng aming mga programa through you, the media. Kasi let's face it, mas pinapakinggan nila kayo kaysa sa amin. Diba? Lalong-lalo na pag umaga yung mga programs nyo. Diba? Nagluluto, magawa ng almusal, tumutunog ang radyo. It's very common. Pero sa amin, wala. So, we are hoping na mas marami pa tayong engagement na ganito. We are hoping na matulungan nyo kami, ng aming mga programa, may palaganap ninyo. PhilHealth is making a shift. It is a 360-degree turn. Kung noon, pag narinig nyo si PhilHealth, hospital ang equation. Pero ngayon, we are promoting konsulta, it's kalusugan, it's preventive. Bago pa magkasakit, kinakailangan nakita na si Pilipinas. So hopefully, matulungan niyo kami dito sa bagong programa namin. And isa pa po, hinihingi ko rin sa inyo na tulungan niyo kami. Marami po ang nagpo-proliferate ngayon na fake IDs. Sabi nga nabanggit ni Sir kasi, valid ID na si PhilHealth. So kung meron po kayong ma-encounter na ganyan, unang-una po, ang ID ni PhilHealth ay libre. So hindi po siya binibili. So marami po lumalaganap ngayon online na tutulungan ka makakuha ng PhilHealth ID ng MDR, may bayad. Let's see, sometimes 500, 750. So hindi po totoo yun. Libre po ang ID ni PhilHealth. So pag may nanghingi ng bayad, most probably po ang ID niyo. So again, I'm asking for your help na sana mapalaganap to. And kung meron po makarating sa inyo, please, papuntahin sa amin, sa Leo, sa Masbate, kasi we are already coordinating with NBI and Cybercrime ng Police na talagang mahuli ito. Sa Albay po, meron nang ginagawa ang NBI and ang Cybercrime kasi laganap po doon. Hindi ko alam sa Masbate kung meron na, pero sigurado po makakarating at makakarating. So hopefully matulungan niyo kami dito. So again, maraming salamat po and hopefully we'll see each other again this year. And I think through PAW, gagawin po namin itong kung hindi man once a year, sana po twice a year para magkausap-usap po tayo sa ating mga programa. Maraming salamat po sa inyo.